right, today we're gonna bring Tamiya Putty. All right, this is plastic type, and we're gonna go ahead and cover some of the actual stuffed lines here, so we could actually spray it. So let's go ahead and do that. Just make sure you wear the proper gloves. All right, and it's very simple. Open it up. You have the other side here. You just poke a little hole here. And we're gonna damp. And then with a finger, you can run it so it could cover it. And that's how it covers pretty much a lot of the things without needing to sand. Just make sure put enough where you see a lot of the indentations going. I'm just damping it right now. So I'm gonna try it once or twice probably, and you're not gonna get to see the line. I'm gonna go here. There we go. Perfect line. You can't even see that line that much. So you could do it 2 or 3 times. So we're gonna do that one to the side. I'm gonna do this one, get rid of the lines. One. Try to see if I can get the line a little bit up here. Kind of. It's not bad. Put some extra one here. It dries up pretty quick. This is another one. We could do the inside, but we're not going to see the inside. It's only the outside that we need to cover. We got that. We do one of the boots. So these boots right here, this is not supposed to be cut. So we're going to see if we could squeeze a little bit. Try to mold it enough where it shapes like that. Blend it in. So I covered the hole. You guys can see the putties in the back. There it is. Covered it up. Now we're going to cover this one. I have enough here. There it is. Come back later. That a little bit more. Damp here. That's undone. If you don't feel comfortable with it, you can come back and do it again. this one right here, I'm going to cover these two again. That one there. That one there. It's a little bit bigger, this one. It's like painting them almost. And it dries pretty quick when you rub it down. There we go. A little bit more. Kind of drying up already. It's not bad. Cover some of the holes. Let it dry up. One of the best things I like about this this product is that you can use it on PLA. Very simple. I mean, once you, I recommend you don't use your gloves. You could also buy silicone paddings that they have. I do have them. I just like to use the gloves because I love the feeling of it. Make sure that it blends in with the actual model itself. So this helps me out when I'm painting it and sanding it. It blends in perfectly. And if you guys can see, there is a line throughout the whole print here, and I'm trying to actually make sure it blends in with the actual line that he has through his pants. So this is going to be a large model that I'm actually going to paint, and right here I'm just making sure it's covering up all the cracks and holes, and then I come back later on, sand it out, and this saves me a lot of time by me just making sure it's covering and blending in. And it's very simple to sand this type of putty. So I highly recommend this kind of putty just to use for these kind of models, especially if you're pasting the two different pieces together. So I like the whole thing around, and it's one of my best favorite putty that I had purchased, but it comes in a small container. I wish I had larger ones, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.